Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. While watching this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe it and follow it to get the latest updates of White Hat Junior. Now you can start the parent wrap up by calling them, greet them well, have some personal interaction, then you can explain about the curriculum. While explaining about this point, you are insisting about White Hat Junior is the world's first company to provide machine learning plus artificial intelligence curriculum for grade 10 to 12 standard. While explaining about this point, you are insisting about our company is providing project-based learning rather than theory-based learning philosophy. After that, you can explain about module 1 to 3. 1 is Python and exploratory data analysis. 2 is supervised machine learning. 3 is unsupervised machine learning. In a module 1, you should insist more about data visualization. You will use exploratory data analysis to visualize large data sets and identify patterns. Example has been given here. In one of the projects, we will be using the data collected by meteorology department to make weather predictions. You should not give your own examples. Try to give the example as it is in PDF. The most important key point here is you will become a certified Python programmer as early as in the 12th standard. Don't miss out the highlighted points. Kindly prepare for it accordingly. In module 2, you should insist more about data prediction. Module 2 is supervised machine learning. In this, you will analyze more complex data sets and then make advanced predictions. In one of the life tech projects, we will be visualizing the data of various biomarkers like cholesterol, blood pressure, pulse rate, etc. to predict the likelihood of a patient having heart disease. Here you are insisting about data prediction. If the patient is having cholesterol, blood pressure, pulse rate, etc., the likelihood is the patient might have heart disease. That is the prediction. Third module is unsupervised machine learning. On this module, you will be deploying machine learning algorithms which can work on unstructured data sets and make very accurate predictions. Here, you should insist more about accurate predictions. In one of the space tech projects, we will be using the data captured by the Kepler telescope to predict stars that have planets beyond our Milky Way galaxy. How we can predict it? We will be using the data of the brightness of various stars beyond our Milky Way galaxy recorded by the Kepler telescope. After explaining all this, ask the interviewer to click on to Transit Principle video and watch it. After he watch it, kindly ask the interviewer to click on to Student Activity and click the images of star 1 and star 2. While he is clicking on them, ask the interviewer the question like, can you tell me which one of them has a planet? Which is having the planet? Star 1 has a planet. Then you can explain about, great, we will use this principle to train the machine learning model and predict stars having planet on a data set of over 5,000 stars. Along the course, you will be doing various such space tech projects for predicting eclipses, near Earth objects, etc. By 2025, it is predicted that 463 exabytes of data will be created each day globally. Here you are insisting about the growth of data by 2025. So don't leave this point. This is an important point. You are just insisting about the growth of data by future. Why we have to learn about machine learning and artificial intelligence. So these points are very important. Kindly concentrate much on these points. With an app serving every need from shopping to food delivery, the next wave of digital transformation is going to be led by machine learning and artificial intelligence. The next wave of digital transformation is going to be led by machine learning and artificial intelligence. The human cannot predict this much 463 exabytes of data. In our future generation, machine will learn all this type of data and it will analyze about it and it will predict about all the data and give you the result. Here you are going to insist about machine learning and artificial intelligence upon the data. Clear? Regardless of which path or career we choose, we will need to work closely with the data. Our goal is to impart you all the skills to become a true tech entrepreneur. This is very important. True tech entrepreneur and make you ready to lead this transformation. After your parent wrap up, don't forget about building urgency. To provide you with more details about the course as well as answer any questions that you may have, our academic coordinator will get in touch with you. My schedule is almost full, but I would love to have your kid as my student since your kid is exceptionally bright with true entrepreneurship potential. True entrepreneurship potential is very important point. Congratulations, kid. Again, on being awarded 3 hats off, you are truly exceptional. Here it has been mentioned that again you are congratulating the kid. The meaning of that is after finishing each and every activity, you need to give the hats off. In your reference video, it has been provided like the teacher will award this 3 hats off only at the end. At this point, you can confirm that the teacher is congratulating the kid again. Okay, so make sure that you have awarded the kid as you finish the activities. Okay, after finishing each and every activity, kindly award the hats off to the student. Okay, hope you had fun. Thank you for your time today. Kindly stay on the panel and do not close this page. When I end the class, our entire curriculum along with the details will be displayed on the panel. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Prepare well for demo 2 and demo 3. Kindly concentrate much on parent wrap-up. Thank you friends.